What if the Earth had rings like Saturn? Imagine the breathtaking spectacle of planetary rings visible in our sky. Today, we delve into the fascinating scenario of Earth adorned with magnificent rings, resembling those of Saturn. Join us as we explore the remarkable consequences of this cosmic transformation. Welcome to our channel. If you find the information valuable and enjoy our content, we kindly ask for your support by liking and subscribing. As a new channel, your trust means a lot, and every like is greatly appreciated in creating more videos like this. 4.5 billion years ago, when our planet was young, it likely possessed a ring of rock debris. This primordial ring was formed when a planet called Theia collided with Earth, propelling a ring of matter into orbit. However, this debris soon coalesced and gave birth to our beloved Moon. To envision Earth with rings, we would need to crumble the Moon, and that can be achieved by moving it closer to our planet. The gravitational forces between Earth and the Moon are not uniform across its surface. The side of the Moon facing Earth experiences a stronger pull, leading us to a fascinating phenomenon called the Roche limit. The Roche limit defines the minimum distance at which celestial bodies can orbit without being torn apart by tidal forces. For the Moon, this limit is approximately 9,500 kilometers, 5,900 miles, from Earth. If the Moon were to venture within this limit, it would disintegrate, forming rings around our planet. The resulting rings, composed entirely of rocky debris, would stretch approximately 5,000 kilometers, 3,100 miles, wide and be around 9.5 meters, 31 feet, thick. Unlike Saturn's icy rings, Earth's rings would lack the necessary distance from the Sun to sustain ice formation. These majestic rings would be visible from Earth at all times, altering our view of the Moon. However, the consequences of this celestial makeover would extend far beyond aesthetics. The presence of Earth's rings would disrupt the internal navigation systems of certain animals, causing potential disorientation. Additionally, the rings might obstruct sunlight, impacting photosynthesis and potentially affecting our oxygen supply. In the shadowed areas beneath the rings, temperatures would plummet, rendering these regions nearly uninhabitable. Our reliance on satellite-based communication systems would face significant challenges. The presence of rock-filled rings would jeopardize the operation of communication satellites, which are typically placed around Earth's equator. Finding alternative means of maintaining global connectivity would become imperative. While a ringed Earth would pose unique hurdles, a scenario where our planet had always possessed rings would allow for evolutionary adaptation. However, space exploration would be hindered, as sending satellites into an orbit teeming with rocks would prove exceedingly difficult. Like Saturn's rings, Earth's rocky adornment would have a limited lifespan. Over time, the rings would begin to degrade and eventually fall from the sky. Until then, we would be treated to an awe-inspiring show, a sight to behold. So, while we may not witness Earth with rings in our lifetime, we can imagine the beauty and challenges such a scenario would present. Perhaps in some distant corner of the multiverse, a ringed Earth exists, leaving its inhabitants to wonder what life would be like without these celestial ornaments. Until then, let us appreciate the wonders of our own world. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Don't forget to look up and enjoy the show. Stay curious, stay amazed.